Lone Skin audience, today I am making a video. These are all mine here, and I'm just sharing my collection. One of them isn't mine, which is that one right there, the big one. It's my dad's, but it's included in this video, because I do use it sometimes. We're just going to start off with my very first one. So, this is my first one here, the Daisy Red Ryder. And, I bought it when I was in 3rd grade. It was $50. And, still works fine. And everything, it's perfect. My second and third one my dad gave me, which was this one here. And that one there. They both, I'd say, average around 500 FPS, feet per second. And, same with the Red Ryder there. And yeah, those are my first three. My fourth one was this one right here. I do not know which brand it is. I tore the sticker off. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a sec. There's a dog here, probably. Where'd it go, Zeus? There's my dog, by the way. Huh. He likes to play with this one. Sometimes. Okay, back to the video. So yeah, that was my fourth one. It's a complete pellet gun. That one and that one are BB gun pellet gun mixes, and yeah, this one's a complete pellet, and it runs .177. I'd say it shoots around 1,500 feet per second, somewhere around there. It's pretty darn fast. My fifth one, the one that I just used to hunt down that dog, if it was even here, that Beretta there. It's a, I forget which brand this is. It's a Powerline by Daisy. It's a pretty good BB gun for a pistol. I would say it shoots around 700 feet per second. It's pretty good. Now, the next one is my dad's here. It's a .177 caliber. It shoots, I'd say, around 2,500 feet per second. It's a Benjamin. So if you guys don't believe me, look up Benjamin air rifles, and they are pretty freaking fast shooting rifles. Now, the last one, my newest one, the Stodger. It's a .22 caliber. This one is mine. That's my dad's. And I got that for my 13th birthday, and it shoots probably just like 50 feet per second slower than that. Shoots pretty fast, but it's a Stodger, .22 caliber. The .177 is a fragment of lead compared to the .22 caliber. It's absolutely massive compared to it. But yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.